in all these little bays, which of the hard drives are going to go into.
Oh, that's cool.
Or maybe they were already unlocked. Crap.
It's okay. So we're reopening.
Oh,
there we
yeah,
go.
There we go.
Okay, so they're already open. That's good.
It actually makes more sense.
Those are cool little keys.
Okay. Okay, so
What does it look like? Oh my
Those are
gosh.
hard drive. Hard drive.
Cool. That's neat. Here we go, taking them all out.
And we're just gonna take these hard drives and take them out of their anti-static packaging.
So why do you need an anti-static package? Like, why would they put that in there?
Because static electricity is harmful for electronics.
Interesting.
Static electricity will kill your electronics, so.
Oh my gosh, that looks high tech.
Anyways, okay. So, let's see.
So how much does each one of these little individual hardwares cost that you were putting into these?
Like 70.
Yeah.
Each hard drive is like 70, 75 bucks. I'm just going with 4 terabyte drives because I don't know. It's just.
And then how much was this box right here?
I think that was like $500 or $600.
Okay, that's pricey.
I need a screwdriver.
All right, let's see if I can get one.